just saw some videotape of my opponent training. I'm gonna try and get something on tape before the big match. Here it is.
Are you ready? Alright. Now it's all about the 1, 2, block, under, counter. Gotta catch him off guard. Start up real quick. Boom, dead. Boom, dead. Boom, dead. Oh, see? You never want to go for the 1, 2, 3, because then you're wide open. You gotta keep rolling. I gotta keep your deuce up. You gotta protect space, man. You gotta keep yourself straight. 1, 2. Up, 1, 2. That's right now.
He looks pretty good. Kind of scared.
Let's watch it.
Graham Keenan here. So, no, just found one of Nicky Niggy, aka the Comeback Kid opponents. And I'm about to be reffing one of these matches. I really don't know. I feel like he's gonna get hit hard. The kid hasn't been practicing enough and he doesn't know what he's up against. Take a look at this. Did you see those jabs? And he's gone just like that. God bless, Nick. You're gonna need it. Oi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is William Wallace, and today I'll be interviewing, secretly of course, the opponent of Brendan Unknown Burnell. This kid, he's an upcomer. He's about 6'2", 155. He's a monster in the fields. He's training to become a professional gamer. He's got the height over Burnell, but I don't know about the heart. Let's check him out. Graceful, I know. William Wallace from Scotland out. Coming out of the blue corner with blue and white trunks and black gloves, with a height of 6 foot, weight of 170, and a reach of 35 inches, Brendan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause for Brendan Bulldozer Brunel. And now, coming out of the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, with blue and white striped shirts and red gloves, with a weight of 155 and an incredible reach of 48 inches and a height of 6'2". And now, ladies and gentlemen, give a large hand of applause for the undisputed world heavyweight champion, Nick, the Comeback Kid Ellsworth. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is William Wallace signing in from the Astrodome in Nevada, USA. I just wanted to thank HBO for having this awesome 6-minute, 6-round, 2-minute, total, insane chaos. Let's get it on! Ding, ding, ding! Shake hands, boys. Want a clean, non-dirty fight? Let's get it on!
Wait, are we back?
Check out the force of these blows Ellsworth's taking in. I don't know how much longer he can handle it. It's a good hit by Ellsworth. Nice solid punch to the chest by Bruno. Oh! How much longer can the Comeback Kid take? Break it up, break it.
That round? Is that the round?
30 more seconds.
30 more seconds, I feel like I'm gonna throw off.
Let's get on. Ten seconds. Push it, break it up. After a nasty first round, me, William Wallace, was trying to clean up the opponent of Brendan Bulldozer Brunel. It's a really ugly side. I'm just gonna try to see what I can do. No, get those out of there. You need to breathe, man.
Oh, wow.
Apply pressure to it. Apply pressure to it. Come on, you can't live off these blood wounds all the time, man. You have 30 seconds to get in there. You gotta stop that blood, man. You can't give up now. Come on.
Go coach your other guy. I'm fine.
This.
I can handle myself.
Got it. After review of play, it's pretty easy for Victor. The first round was. How do you feel about Bulldozer?
I feel pretty strong about the first round. Caught me with a nice jab though. Good counter. Caught me off guard.
Taught him that.
Huh?
I taught him that.
I gotta just watch out for those. Stay on the offense. Keep him on the defense. Keep him running.
Alright, good luck to you. Beginning of round 2, ladies and gentlemen. Ding, ding, ding!
I'm good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's up. You good? You good?
Check if he's good.
He's here. You good? You good? Alright, he's good. Ding, ding, ding. 30 seconds. Seconds. Ding, ding, ding. Round 3, ladies and gentlemen. Ding, ding, ding. One for the pain maker. God bless his soul. He fought hard. We all know who the winner is. And now, with an undisputed win, Brendan Bulldozer Brunel.
So thank God.
You gotta announce the crowd.